Well, welcome, welcome. Yes, we come for chat about something, yes, that I was very disturbed about the other day. Yes, me see something, I hear something, and when me go look on the book face, me see Ashanti attack, the talk what they on everybody lips at the moment, but Suloni saga, yeah, continues. So no, Ashanti say I'm master and doing and nothing change him out and he say, ah, Gracie and Maxine. Yes, so no, we go listen because me want to hear it properly. And I was very disturbed because I feel say Ashanti using Saloni as a cash cow to get money here. She's exploiting the situation. So him talk to Saloni and Saloni just attack and can't get through and him a shout Saloni, Saloni, and Saloni just attack and him a laugh about the situation and I find that really uncomfortable to watch. Yes, I found it really uncomfortable. I find it very uncomfortable to watch because I feel he was taking the piss, excuse me French, yes. And people just give him stars and thing. So that me thought that is really, really bad. And the woman sounds like she's having a mental breakdown, the way she attack. She wants just attack along. So which is very concerning to me to think that whoever do the dirty act is pushing this woman over the edge. Because at the end of the day, she know. So the lady at 99 always look out for her and give her little things. Sometimes when she go down there go beg, she give it to her. She have big bus fare, she have big different things and she give it to her. When she did sick in hospital, I the lady go down there go start her out and start out her house and all them little things there. All the people them are set up Saloni against the woman. The woman, everybody always draft her when something go wrong. So to me, I feel that it isn't right when him have, Ashanti needs to stop calls on the phone every minute. So for say him get information because Ashanti information are credible because first him try to convince people say Marcia do it. And then him try to influence the people, say Marcia do it. Now him change the script when the lady come out and say, think Marcia that do so. Him flip the script and he say Gracie and Maxine because he know say people them not like Maxine and not like Gracie. So him flip the script. So no. Yeah, so that's the bit that I find that can you change your mouth and then you come with new evidence, this or that and whatever, and people, seems to believe it, they must suck it up, and they give you cash up. We couldn't listen to it, me send a couple messages and them block me, but me never care about that because I was very upset to see his behavior, yes. And him a go on like say, him a support the woman down at 99, but I don't feel say him a support her. I feel say him is a double agent, yes, wolf in a sheep clothing. And that me I go say. I mean not take it back. So yes, so in go on like say my some kind of social media investigator, because me don't know who put him on the case there. But anyway, foreign woman come to try the case because foreign woman listen to all the evidence that's there. And and the jury is in. Yes. And the jury has overturned the case because them say there's a lot of hole in the case, yes. Whole hole in the holy. And them say that you can't keep changing your mouth. First you was 100% sure and some of the evidence then don't feel say it's credible. So yes, so I believe the police force is gonna suspend you from your duties. Yes, because them feel say you're tampering with some of the evidence. Yes, so the case is closed at the moment until further evidence come forward. So I'm even looking say I wonder who if I you so that me come fit say I don't talk.